Hey everyone, welcome to Cyber Smarts with Lexi and Max. I'm Lexi.
And I'm Max.
Today, we're tackling the mysterious and slightly terrifying world of public Wi-Fi. Max, I see you've already connected to the coffee shop's free Wi-Fi. Bold move. Do you actually know what really happens when you use public Wi-Fi?
Lexi, it's just internet. Free, glorious Wi-Fi. What could possibly go wrong? Besides maybe slow loading times.
Oh Max, so innocent. Let's take a quick dive into the world of public Wi-Fi. You're in coffee shops, airports, hotels, they all offer it. But here's the thing, when you connect, you're not alone. And I don't mean emotionally, I mean digitally.
Okay, I'm listening. What's the big deal? It's not like I'm doing anything top secret. Just checking email and looking up cat memes.
Ah, classic. But here's the problem. Imagine you connect to something like free airport Wi-Fi. Seems legit, right?
Totally. Sounds official.
Except it might not be. That could be a fake hotspot set up by a hacker sitting 5 tables over. It's called an evil twin attack. You think you're connecting to the airport or cafe network, but you're actually connecting to them.
Wait, what? So I'm just handing my data over like, here you go, kind cybercriminal.
Pretty much. And that's not all. Even on legit public Wi-Fi, if the network isn't encrypted properly, attackers can eavesdrop on what you're doing. It's called packet sniffing, kind of like wiretapping for the internet.
So they can see, like, my emails, passwords?
Yep, login credentials, personal messages, payment details, anything not going through an encrypted connection.
That's terrifying. I feel like I've been casually walking through the internet with no pants on.
That's one way to put it. And then there's the man-in-the-middle attack, where someone intercepts your connection between your device and the site you're visiting. You think you're on your bank's website, but it's a fake replica.
Okay, now I'm officially paranoid. So, is free Wi-Fi just evil? Should I never use it again?
Not evil, just risky. But there are smart ways to use it without exposing yourself.
Hit me with the checklist, Lexi.
Alright, 3 simple rules. Use a VPN, it encrypts your traffic and hides what you're doing. It's like a secure tunnel between your device and the real internet. Never enter sensitive info while on public Wi-Fi. That includes passwords, banking details, and definitely don't make purchases. Turn off auto-connect and file sharing. You don't want your phone latching onto sketchy networks without your say-so.
What about just using my mobile hotspot?
Perfect. Your own data connection is way safer than a public network. If it's important, use your hotspot or wait until you're home.
Got it. From now on, I treat public Wi-Fi like a public restroom?
Exactly. Useful in emergencies, but you don't want to hang out there longer than you need to. And definitely not the place to do your banking.
Cyber smart is the new street smart, right?
That's the motto, Max.
Well, if I can get this, you definitely can. No more cat memes on sketchy Wi-Fi for me.
We're making progress. And hey, if you're listening to this on public Wi-Fi, maybe double check your settings when we're done.
And subscribe while you're at it, on a secure connection, of course.
Until next time, stay smart, stay safe.